So our alien planet, named Aquabrinus, is highly saline. The water here holds significantly less oxygen than what you would expect on the oceans of Earth. The water here, due to it being so high in salt concentration, is prone to crystallization, becoming very thick, and due to photosynthetic microorganisms near the surface, surface waters can be quite nutrient-rich. There is no surface ice on this planet, besides the poles, meaning sunlight is present in shallow depths, and due to a very close moon, there is often large swell, and storms and currents are numerous here, meaning many of the nutrients originating from underwater volcanic vents are able to be cycled relatively rapidly around the planet's oceans. And last of all, the planet is 100% aquatic. There is no terrestrial environment. Habitat and ecology. So our animal that we discovered, Viridipices drurirostris, occupies the epipelagic zone of the planet, or the sunlight zone, where sunlight is present at shallow depths, so at the surface. The food web here is dependent at its core on small photosynthetic algae-like life, which is then fed on by small aquatic vertebrates. These vertebrates is what drurirostris then feeds on, and they are pictured above there where it says example prey. Example predator, there. That is an avian predator, which is the biggest threat to drurirostris. Our newly discovered life, Viridipices drurirostris. Viridipices, I'll break that down. Viridis meaning green, Pisces meaning fish. And drurirostris, duri meaning hard or strong, rostris meaning beak or snout. So altogether, it'd be green fish, hard beak. And the size of the animal is roughly 150 centimeters long. Physical adaptations. So it has a hardened streamlined beak. The animal's beak adds to its aerodynamic design, reducing its drag in the water, allowing higher speeds at the cost of less energy. The beak is large and hardened by enamel, one of the world's strongest substances that can be found in animals, and this allows it to easily cut through the often crystallized water. Drurirostris also has a siphon, like an octopus. The animal takes in water at its gills, and then the siphon expels this water at high pressure, allowing sudden bursts of speed. Secondary dorsal eyes, so dorsal above, the eyes are on top of its head, and this is what allows our animal to look out for those avian predators that I mentioned before. Retractable photosynthetic membrane. The animal's back is layered in photosynthetic membrane, paired with two photosynthetic and retractable sails that come out of its pectoral fins. The sails extend the animal's surface area, maximizing the amount of energy it can extract from the sun as a secondary food source. This helps support the primary food of small aquatic vertebrates. And last of all that I'm mentioning is the fluke tail, like a dolphin. The animal has a fluke tail, allowing for precise movement in the water and other sudden bursts of speed. The tail also supports the siphon.